Hello everyone, good evening. So, here we are going to learn about the business process outsourcing, which is also known as BPO. So, with the help of this particular channel, I'm trying my level best to explain you how you guys can crack the interview for quality analyst trainer, or else if you are a fresher for the agents, how you guys can crack your interviews. Guys, I'm telling you, if you're watching my videos very clearly, definitely the questions which are going to be asked by the HR or else by the managers, definitely you guys will be able to give the answers. So without wasting time, guys, we'll start the process. And before that, I would request you guys, please do like, subscribe my channel, please share share the videos with your friends. So guys, in this video we will cover two parts. The first one is introduction to the quality analyst, and the second one is roles and responsibilities of the quality analyst in the BPO. So the first question which is going to be asked to you guys whenever a HR conduct an interview, they will ask you, what do you understand about the quality analyst? What do you think about the quality analyst? What sort of work the quality analyst do? So guys, if you're mm, so in these 2 or 3 slides, I'm going to explain you about all these questions, guys. And guys, please do watch the video very clearly. Definitely you guys will get such kind of questions and you guys will be able to give the answers. So let's start. What is quality analyst? Quality analysts are the one who measure the quality of the cases which are handled by the employee. Guys, if you are experienced, definitely you guys know very well, like there will be a certain cases, calls, emails or form for which a quality analyst do the audits, and those cases are handled by the employee. After that, you guys will get the data from your managers or else TS where you guys need to perform the audits. Those audits are performed by the manual form, or else different companies use a different tool as well to audit those particular cases. If I'll give you an example, if you're doing the audit of particular call which has been handled by the A employee, you guys need to cross check either that particular agent followed all the parameters or else or the possible ways wherein he can make that particular call a very quality type of call. So in this way there will be a certain parameters in that particular form, and you need to audit on the basis of the call taken by the employee. So I'm not going to tell like only call, you can also audit emails, you can also audit the forms which are being submitted by the employees. After doing the audits, quality analyst will share the feedback to the employee on the basis of the score what he received in the quality form. The next point here we will discuss quality analyst. Apart from the feedback, quality analysts also work on various report. The reason behind that is quality analyst itself says analysis in the sense we need to do the analysis so that we can improve the process, we can improve the quality of the product, we can improve the quality of the process. So they used to work on various analysis as well. In coming videos I will explain you guys what kind of analysis quality analysts do, what kind of analysts, what kind of forms they use, what kind of things they apply to do that particular analysis. Quality analysts are also known as quality assurance, quality specialist, associate quality, senior quality analyst. These are the different names which are being used in the company. So guys, if you are getting hired for any of this role, no need to worry, this all are similar to the quality analyst role. Including to this, guys, I'm also want to tell you one more thing. If you are working as an agent and if you're going for the quality analyst role, definitely your designation will get also increased, and your band will also get increased. For an example, different companies have their different band. If he's an agent, that will be a level 1 band. If you're coming to the quality analyst or a trainer, the band will convert it to the level 2. So guys, please keep these certain points whenever a HR asks you the questions, what do you understand by the quality analyst.